Understanding the Baloch Liberation Army hijacking, key insights and impacts. 1. The BLA executed a hijacking, sabotaging train tracks and taking 450 passengers hostage. 2. Tragic casualties unfolded, affecting both civilians and military personnel during the attack. 3. A swift military response led to the rescue of 346 hostages and a confrontation with insurgents. 4. The BLA aims for Balochistan's independence, with a history of conflict against Pakistani forces. 5. Regional implications are significant, with accusations against Afghanistan for supporting insurgent activities. Stay updated on critical events, subscribe for more insights.